Hi, in this video we will assemble a Windex Dinghy. We're starting by removing all of the parts from the box, the vane with its sapphire bearings and screw, the shaft with mast fitting, the pair of index arms, port and starboard. Turn the index arm so the wire side points upwards. Assemble the index arms over the thread and then assemble the shaft to the vane. Position the index arms into the slots. Use a well-fitting spanner to tighten the vane screw fully. On the assembly instruction sheet you will find an angle indication where you can adjust the tab arms to suit the yacht windward performance. Remove the screws from the mast fitting. Now remove the shaft by pressing the holders together. Place the mast fitting with a round hole pointing upwards and then mark the position on the mast for the mounting holes. Drill the holes and then screw the mast fitting in place on the mast. With the mast fitting in place, reinsert the shaft and we're done. Let's now have a look at two graphics. This first shows the vane position at different apparent wind directions. This second graphic shows you how to identify a change in the apparent wind angle as small as 1 degree. Windex Dinghy, Windex 10, Windex 15, Windex XL and Windex Scout 50 and 90 are all members of the family of precision wind direction indicator for sailboats. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to assemble a Windex Dinghy.